High-end 55-inch 8K Samsung TV. Cool, right? If you want the highest resolution of any display and longevity, would you consider this TV? The predominant 4K format in television and consumer media is 3842,160, which is about 8 million pixels. But since we always want new and improved, thus comes 8K resolution as it takes your viewing pleasure to a whole new level. That's because 8K TVs have 4 times the number of pixels of 4K displays. With a resolution of 7,680 times 4,320, that's more than 33 million pixels. An 8K screen can show images with much more detail and clarity than a 4K panel. Although the exact number of pixels in an 8K screen varies depending on the size of the screen, 8K TVs are capable of showing more colors and more natural-looking images thanks to improved HDR capabilities. Now, all that makes you itch for one, right? But check out the internals of this TV as you bear in mind that 8K TVs can be very pricey. This module, the T-Con, was designed in April 2020. TV has nice surround speakers, Freeview satellite and all. But being an expensive TV release just 2 years ago, you'd expect it to have very durable display. But disappointingly, 2 of the same model came in with blank screen problem. Their display panel is made by China's Star Optoelectronics technology. Although they were repaired, they didn't last up to a month before their glass died again. Even if I were a billionaire, I'd think thrice before putting my hard-earned money in these frailties.